2026 Aprilia Tuono 4x7. First ride review, the perfect blend of performance. The Veneto region in northern Italy is renowned for its viniculture, marine cuisine, and its capital city, Venice. A mere 30 minutes to the west lies the town of Noailles, the headquarters of Aprilia Racing. Similar to soccer clubs throughout Europe, the community is bonded by the triumphs of Aprilia Racing. The secured grey and tempered glass edifice adjoins, a bustling thoroughfare, and captivates onlookers as though it were Willy Wonka's chocolate factory, instilling curiosity regarding the activities concealed within. MotoGP revelations, racing memorabilia, newly engineered production models. Indeed, all of the aforementioned, yet our visit was primarily to explore the latter. Following the introduction of the RS 457 last year, which we recognized as Cycle, world's best lightweight street bike of 2024, Aprilia revealed that a Tuono 457 would augment the assortment. And despite our eager anticipation for a naked variant of the RS 457, enthusiasm surged within the office once our expectations were validated. This motorcycle is anticipated to rival or potentially surpass the performance of the KTM 390 Duke, one of our perennial favorite lightweight motorcycles. As with all Tuonos, the 457 is not an entirely novel design. Aprilia has taken the existing RS 457, refined the ergonomics, reimagined its aesthetics, and incorporated a larger rear sprocket. Swiftly, a new model emerges, faster than one can utter espresso. In all seriousness, that was all Aprilia required to accomplish, and precisely what we desired. The RS 457 is already an exceptional bike, and now we are presented with a more comfortable, vertical iteration. The Aprilia Tuono 457 employs a 457cc parallel twin engine featuring a 270-degree crank, delivering a claimed 47, 6 HP at 9400 RPM, and 32 FTUs of torque at 6700 RPM. Its 6-speed gearbox is augmented by a slipper torque assist clutch, while a bidirectional quickshifter is available as an optional accessory. The engine acts as a stressed element in a cast aluminum frame, accompanied by a steel subframe and swing arm. Suspension components are directly sourced from the RS without modifications. Both models are equipped with a 41 mm inverted fork, offering 7 inches of travel with preload adjustability and a monoshock, providing 1 inches of travel, also featuring preload adjustability. A 5-inch TFT display and ride-by-wire system facilitate access to an adjustable electronics package, providing 3 riding modes: Sport, Eco, Rain, 3 levels of traction, control, ATC1, ATC2, ATC3, 2 levels of ABS, 1 active at the front wheel, 2 active at both wheels, and smartphone connectivity. Braking performance is ensured by a single 320mm disc with a radial mount 4-piston bibrake caliper at the front and a 220mm disc with a single-piston bibrake caliper at the rear. Both braking systems are equipped with Bosch 2-channel ABS. What is the Aprilia Tuono 457 like to ride? In numerous respects, the 457 platform excels beyond its segmentation. The parallel twin equipped with a 270-degree crank offers an exhilarating experience that can compete with larger middleweight models, such as Yamaha's MT-07. Its aluminum framework not only imparts a premium aesthetic to the Tuono, but also positions it among the foremost chassis within its category, alongside the RS 457. Although the Tuono features a compact chassis and engine configuration, its design imparts an impression of a larger middleweight, while still retaining an accessible seat. Height of 31.5 inches. Aprilia asserts that the Tuono 457 achieves 82% of peak torque at 3000 RPM, with maximum horsepower reaching its pinnacle at 9400 RPM, rendering the parallel twin both sporty and versatile. Riders can effortlessly execute short shifts in urban environments, benefiting from a surge of torque readily available in gears 2, 3, and 4. When there is a need to accelerate past traffic, the engine's responsive nature and broad power delivery facilitate brisk acceleration. On winding roads, these power characteristics are equally advantageous. Tight corners can be navigated in third gear, and the engine possesses sufficient power to drive the motorcycle from a standstill while effectively maintaining the chosen gear into the next corner. Throughout the majority of the more constricted sections, we found it feasible to remain in third gear without issue. However, when it became necessary to engage the gearbox, the quickshifter operated flawlessly. Aprilia's accessory quickshifter on the 400mv7 platform is among the finest we have encountered in the lightweight category and justifies its cost of $215. The Tuono 45v7's parallel twin is as remarkable as anticipated following our experiences with the RS 457, both on the track and off. Nevertheless, the Tuono's shorter 44-tooth rear sprocket, in contrast to 43, yielded marginally quicker acceleration when exiting corners, departing from a stationary position, or lifting the front wheel. It is important to note that the motorcycle we tested is a European model and is not subject to the same noise regulations as its counterparts destined for the US. We observed this discrepancy with the RS model we evaluated last year. The motorcycle we received in California exhibited a pronounced flat spot in second gear, compared to the European variant tested at the Autodromo di Modena in Italy last year. In summary, performing wheelies in second gear will likely prove more challenging on US models. We dedicated our time to operating the Tuono 457 in sport mode with the least intrusive traction control configuration, ATC1, and with rear ABS deactivated, ABS1. Riding modes and rider assistance features can be modified seamlessly at the push of a button. Traction control may be deactivated in motion. However, ABS cannot. Riders are required to halt their movement to disengage rear ABS. Sport mode delivers maximum power, preset with ATC1. The throttle response in sport mode offers immediate acceleration and a surge of power that maintains a robust performance throughout the rev range, particularly within its category. While the Tuono 457 is not a high-displacement powerhouse, it stands out as our preferred engine in the lightweight segment. Eco mode facilitates a gradual power delivery and is synchronized with ATC2. Rain mode is specifically engineered for low-traction environments, featuring a softened throttle response alongside the most pronounced traction control intervention, ATC3. Both traction control and ABS can be individually tailored in each riding mode. The 407cc parallel twin engine is a remarkable entity in the lightweight class, complemented by an exceptional aluminum chassis. The only two motorcycles within this segment to showcase an aluminum frame are the RS 457 and Tuono 457. The robust engine pairs seamlessly with a distinctive chassis. Aprilia consistently excels in providing a sporty chassis across all categories, and the Tuono is no exception.